Many modern agencies are taking advantage of a paperless workflow, and one of the necessities of this workflow is an electronic signature for your Accord forms. We will cover here how to order a signature, how to install the file, how to use it manually within the form, and then how to set it up to be automatically added to your form. First, you can visit our website to print the electronic signature order form. Follow the instructions on the form and be sure that the signature stays within the box, is not touching the black lines, and is a good representation of how it should look on the form's signature box. Keep in mind that the electronic signature returned will look exactly like what you have entered inside of the black signature box. The signature file will be emailed to you typically within 1 business day of submitting your form and payment, along with instructions to add the file. To add the signature to the program, we simply save it to the program's signature folder. To add the signature to a form, click the electronic signature icon on the toolbar and select the desired signature. If you prefer to have a particular signature automatically signed to all forms, you can navigate to the Signatures folder, copy and paste the desired default signature, creating a copy, then rename the copy to default. The next forms accessed will automatically be signed with this default signature.